Hello everyone and welcome to Sources Classes. So in this video we have a very important update regarding the ACET June 2020 examination update. As you know, the ACET examination for the June 2020 has recently undergone a date change, wherein from the previously the registration date which was scheduled, the registration would basically open on 13 March 2020 at 3 p.m. and the previous deadline, which was originally given before this entire lockdown situation was in place, it was the deadline was extended to 11th April 2020. And then after due provision, the deadline of the same, the registration was again changed back to 17 June 2020 until 3 p.m. Similarly, since the deadline was changed, so naturally the date of the examination was also changed as well. So previously, which was the original schedule for the May-June examination, the examination was due to take place on 9th of May 2020 from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. and the result was expected on 16 May 2020. And then subsequently, the revised date that actually came into play was it later scheduled on 27th of June 2020, that is just a few days from the day I'm recording this video, and the result was expected somewhere around 8th of July, and then the last date to take admission would be was scheduled to take place on 20th of July 2020. But due to the current lockdown in place and the current situation that we are dealing with nationally in the country, there have been some major update regarding the schedule or the date pertaining to the examination in general. So we'll now discuss what changes that ACET has actually uncovered upon us, and what is the how this will basically impact the students who are preparing for this examination or targeting this examination in general. So let's take a look. So as you can see, this was the recent mail that was sent out to all the students who had registered themselves for the examination. So the basically what ACET has done is that they have basically postponed the examination, ACET June 2020 examination, to an unspecified date, or they have postponed for the unforeseeable future because of the current lockdown in place. As you can see right now, during the current situation also, the states like West Bengal, Delhi and Maharashtra have actually imposed the lockdown till 31st of July. Okay, so due to the current situation, any kind of examination that is supposed to take place in before this particular date has been postponed, and ACET has also done the same. They have sent out the notification of the same. The notification sent, as you see, it was sent on 23rd of June, that the examination which was due to take place on 27th of June will not be taking place any longer, and it has been postponed to a further date that will be revised. The revised examination date will be updated on the website shortly. So the date has not been decided as of yet, so that will totally depend on the current national situation pertaining to the containment of the COVID-19 and the lockdown in place. If the situation comes into control, the examination would take place. So for the more information of the same, you can actually visit their official website, that is www.actuariesindia.org. You can visit their official website, wherein you will get all the details pertaining to the same, and also any update pertaining to the examination date, which if we go by the trend, by just analyzing the current lockdown in place, it won't be anytime soon. So we can expect the examination to be the notification to come some time around the late July maybe, and the examination might, if the situation comes to normalcy, that the examination might take place in somewhere around August maybe. But now, having said that, what can the students do in this particular extension? Because you might be frustrated because you have prepared all this while, and now since the examination has gotten cancelled, so you might be wondering what we can do to tackle this situation, or what should we do during the meantime. So I'd say this is particularly a blessing in disguise for you. So you have got some ample time to again give your 100% for the preparation. You have got enough prep time now as of late, because until unless the situation normalizes, as I said, in states such as West Bengal, Delhi and Maharashtra, and few subsequent other states where the infection has been on the rise, so the lockdown has been extended till 31st of July. So until unless this entire lockdown comes to an end, we can't expect any kind of notification for the same as well. So you have this extra time, you can go ahead and prepare during this time. You can, increase your work or increase the way you are working right now. You're working on clearing the examination. You can actually increase your effort so that you can take that extra mile to clear this examination. Now, having said that, since you're giving this extra time, so all those aspirants who are either preparing and who are either struggling with their preparation or who are actually looking for the extra push to make it into the AIA India for actuary studies. So we Source of Classes have got your back, so you can enroll with us on our actuary online classes for the same, wherein we'll be providing online classes for the ACET examination, where we'll be providing with video lectures, both live and recorded form, mock tests, doubt clearing sessions, study materials, and subsequently teacher to student guidance as well. So all these features have been provided. The details of the course you can actually find on our website. Apart from this, you can also avail our study material the same if you are looking to get yourself a good set of materials so that you can prepare from. So we'll definitely be more than willing to help you out on this accord as well. So for more information on the online classes, the course content that we are providing, I suggest you look us up. So kindly visit. So for the more information of the program itself regarding the online courses for ACET examination and the study materials in general, you can visit our website, that is www.sauravsirclasses.com. Classes.com. You can mail us at our email ID, that is being sauravsirclasses@gmail.com. Okay, or you can text or WhatsApp us on the numbers 74391848098697758. Five 5572 8337 88143 9836993076, and finally 9874822756. So you can contact us via any of the medium in case you're looking for any help with your preparation, be it you're looking for online classroom program for the same or online material for the same. We'll be more than happy to guide you through your entire preparation phase and actually see you through this entire preparation journey. So having said that, one thing that I would urge, although the examination has been postponed, kindly do not take low or relax as far as your preparation are concerned. This extra time, utilize it to the maximum of your ability and make sure you put in that extra effort that is required to make sure you get your admitted seat into the college or into the course of your choice. So make sure you double your effort during this time. These are basically, you can take, in spite of taking this as a dispatch, take this entire duration of the extension of the examination as nothing but a gift from the IAI. So that would be more than one of the way to actually tackle this kind of situations in general. You can practice, you can double down your practice, you can take a mock test for the same, or you can actually come to us and take up our online courses in case you are having doubt regarding how to prepare for the same. Having said that, I believe we have covered the entire thing in details. So if there's any further update on the actual ACET exam situation, we'll make sure to update you through our channel as well. So if any update regarding the new dates of the examination are being discussed or anything, we receive any notification for the same, we'll make sure to let you know. And further, any kind of strategy pertaining to the tackling of this examination, feel free to contact us on any of the sources we have mentioned, be it our website, email ID, or our numbers in general. So having said that, I believe we have covered in details. So If you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel, so then we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line as well. So with that said, I'm signing out. Thank you so much.